Hi, my sassy fam. What are we gonna do today? Well, today's project is going to be fixing these scratches on my baby's cot. I mean, this hack is applicable even on any white furniture that you have and that's got scratches. Mine is got these kind of scratches, as well as since my baby was teething, she's been, biting over it as well. So you can totally see what has happened. Well, I'm going to use this acrylic paint. Mine is water based. You can also use oil paint, oil based paints. You get it in, I got it from Amazon. You can just get it from any stationery shop near you, and totally depends on what you are putting it on. Since my coat is matte, I have got this acrylic paint. So I am actually rubbing this paint over the scratches that are visible. It's very easy, just rub it and you can totally see the difference between the fresh paint and the old paint initially, but once it's dried and it's a few days, you will not even know that it was painted freshly or just retouched. This is the final look. Few places were still wet when I was recording this, so you could just see few spots. Rest everything is just as new and looks better than what it used to look before. Bye.